Good morning, children. How are you? Okay. Again, again we are going to start our next class of Hindi. Okay, ma. Did you revise all those videos which I gave you first, which I recorded and we send you to YouTube channel now? So, are you revising those videos? Okay. If not, you must go through all those videos. Okay, ma. Okay. Then last time in the last video I explained you about Adha Akshar, okay, next Dvitva Samyukta okay, you must and should watch those videos, okay, these are very useful to you. So once again we will revise those Adha Akshar on Dvitvakshar and Samyuktakshar. Okay, I'll write those definitions and once again I'll explain those and then we'll go through the Ra Adha Akshar. I told you, Ra Adha Akshar is a different topic in Hindi Varnamala. Okay, so it is having three types of Adha Akshar. Ra Adha Akshar is having three types and they are also named. Those types are also named. Okay. So, today we will learn those Ra Adha Akshar. First of all, we will go through the Samyuktakshar and Dvitvakshar definitions once again. Okay, ma, I will revise those. Okay, first see. Dvitvakshar means what I said? दो समान व्यंजनों को जोड़ना, जोड़ने से जो अक्षर आता है उसे द्वित्वाक्षर कहते हैं. Why I am giving these to you means you should copy these definitions in your book and write as a homework. Okay, write as a homework. Already in the last class I gave you some words to you now. So those words and these definitions copy in the book and write as a homework for each one 2 times. Okay, in the last videos you can see the words. So many I gave, so many words I gave. कहते हैं. उदाहरण to place का खा. जो place जा झा. So once again I revise Dvitvakshar. Okay, what is this? Dvitvakshar. What is this? Dvitvakshar. दो समान व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से जो अक्षर आता है उसे द्वित्वाक्षर कहते हैं. When we join two same व्यंजन letters, that too one is Adha and the other one is Puraakshar. When we join these two we will get a Dvitvakshar. J plus ja, jha. Okay, ma? This is about Dvitvakshar. And the next one I write. What is the next one? One is Dvitvakshar and the next one is Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar means what? In the last class I told you, no? Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar means दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से जोड़ने से जो अक्षर आता है उसे संयुक्ताक्षर कहते हैं। ओके, संयुक्ताक्षर कहते हैं। ओके चिल्ड्रन, up to here do you understand? And one example, उदाहरण। एग्जाम्पल इन हिंदी, उदाहरण। उदाहरण, स प्लस या स्या। See, here I joined two same letters or two different letters? Two different letters. Okay ma? So this is, what is this? This is samyuktakshar, not dvitvaakshar. When we join two different letters, then it will be samyuktakshar. Okay, next one more. And what is this? What is this? This is, here also we joined two different letters. So this is also samyuktakshar. What is this? Dva. Once we will go through the definition. Okay, दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से जो अक्षर बनता है उसे संयुक्ताक्षर कहते हैं. When we join two different व्यंजन letters, then it is called samyuktakshar. Now did you get the clarity, ma? Okay, so here you can see in the examples, in the udaharan, s plus ya, sya, d v plus da, dva. Okay, so here we joined two different letters so that we get samyuktakshar. This is about dvitvaakshar and samyuktakshar. Now today our topic is ra adha akshar. I told you, no? Ra adha akshar. रा के रूप. What are those? What are those? One is slanting line, the other one is like pyramid shape, and the other one is hook shape. Like this we had three types, and these three are divided into two steps. Okay, what are those? They also given a name. They are also given a name. What are the names? We will see now. One is Rafe. What is that? The first one is Rafe. Rafe means which one will get hook shape. Rafe means we get hook shape adha akshar. The other one is Paden. What is the other one? Paden. You must remember the names of those adha akshar, ra adha akshar. That is these two. In Paden we get these two, and this one is Rafe. Okay. So Rafe and Paden, they were named as Rafe and Paden. Now we will get a doubt that where we have to use these many are there, and where we have to use these adha akshar in the letters when we get ra adha akshar. No ma? Okay, all will get that doubt. So now I am explaining that only, that where we have to use these adha akshar. First, when this ra adha akshar, Rafe, that is used, that we can use to all the Vyanjan letters. Wherever you find the Vyanjan letter in the word, that means when at the time of pronunciation, when you get the ra adha akshar into to all the Vyanjan letters, this one we can use. Okay, this one, these two also we can use to all the Vyanjan letters, but according to the pronunciation, this will be changed. Okay, that's what I will give clarity to you now. Okay ma? Rafe. When we have to use, when we pronounce the adha akshar first, that means ra adha akshar first in the word, and then the pura akshar, then we have to use this one. Understand all of you? When we pronounce the word, at the time, if we get Ra Adha Akshar first, if we pronounce Ra Adha Akshar first, then Pura Akshar, then we will get Ref. Okay? First, Ra Adha Akshar, Ra Adha Akshar, next Ra, next Pura Akshar, Pura Akshar, next Pura Akshar, in the pronunciation of the word, in the pronunciation of the word. See, first Ra Adha Akshar, next Pura Akshar in the pronunciation of the word, then we have to use this one. Example I will show you once. Udaharan, Dharma, Karma, like that. See, Dharma, Dharma, Dha, R, Dharma. First we are pronouncing R, next Ma, Pura Akshar. No? So, when we pronounce like that, then we have to use which one? Ref or Pade? Ref. We have to use Ref. You can observe the next word also. Karma, Karma. Ka after which one we are pronouncing? Ma or Ra? Ka after which one we are pronouncing? Ma or Ra? Ra. Okay. So then we are pronouncing Pura Akshar. So that we have to, what we have to write for this? We must write Ref. Still are there. After explaining that, I will write the words. Examples. Okay. Coming to Paden. Paden when we have to use, and this one is used to all the Vyanjan letters. We can use to all Vyanjan letters. Use to all Vyanjan letters. And Paden. Paden when we have to use Paden? Paden will be used when we pronounce the Adha Akshar first. Adha Akshar first and Pura Akshar and first Pura Akshar, next Adha Akshar, then we have to pronounce, then we have to write Paden. Understand? Reverse of Ref. Reverse of Ref. In Ref what we are doing? First we are pronouncing Adha Akshar, next Pura Akshar. But in Paden we will pronounce, when we pronounce the word, then we will get first, what we will get first? Pura Akshar, next Adha Akshar. Understand? So that you have to remember. First Pura Akshar, next Adha Akshar of Ra. Okay, and these, but here two are there. Did you get the doubt or not? But here two are there. So to which letters we have to use those two? I told you when I explained you one topic, that is Adha Akshar. No, in the three types of letters will be there, like Pai Akshar, Binpai Akshar and Poonch Akshar. Okay ma? So here also that will come. Here to which letters we have to use this one? To which letters? Like Pai Akshar and Poonch Akshar. Pai Akshar means what? Straight line letters, and Poonch Akshar means tail letters. To those we have to use this one, and this one will use to which the remaining letters are Bin Pai Akshar. To Bin Pai Akshar we will use this one. Okay, so I will tell the letters what are those, like Ka, Fa and Da. Ka, Fa and Da. All these are what? All these are what? What are these? Poonch Akshar. I told you, no? So these Poonch Akshar, to these letters we have to use this one. Okay, okay children. And this, and not only to the tail letters, what are the letters? The letters which are having the straight line, Pai Akshar. Straight line letters like Kha, Kha, okay, Na, Ana, Cha, Cha. Like that, remaining letters are there, no? For those letters we have to, the letters which are having straight line, to those letters we have to use this one. And this one, the next one is there, no? That you have to use to the limited letters. Those are Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, like that. Cha. Why? Because these letters doesn't have straight line or tail. To those letters that you have to use this one. When this rule is applied in the word, then we have to use this one. What is that rule? When we pronounce the word, first when we pronounce Pura Akshar and then Adha Akshar of Ra, then we have to use this one, and that too according to the letter only we will use these two. That's what you have to remember. According to the letter only we use these two. Now I will show you, and here I will write that this slanting line we will use only to which? We will use only to Poonch and Pai Akshar. Poonch and Pai Akshar. Okay, which one? This slanting line. And this one we will use to which? Bin Pai Akshar. Okay, children, did you get the clarity? Now I will give you words on this. Okay, ma. We will use to Bin Pai Akshar. Once again, we will go through the Ref and Pade. Here Ra, Radha Akshar. How many types are? 3 types are. Three types are there, and they were divided into again two parts. Okay, what are those two parts? One is Ref and the other one is Pade. In Ref, which one we are using? Hook shape. And in Pade, we are using, one is slanting line and the other one is like a pyramid or whatever shape you can imagine. Okay. And Ref means I am giving you the clarity again. Ref. First when we pronounce Ra Adha Akshar in the word, and next Pura Akshar. Okay. First Ra Adha Akshar, next Pura Akshar in the pronunciation of the word. Then we have to use Ra Adha Akshar Ref. And here Pade. In Pade, when we pronounce first Pura Akshar, next Adha Akshar of Ra, then we have to use these two. And that too, how we have to use? Here we have two. So how we have to use those two? According to the word, according to the letter in the word, we have to use. This slanting line we will use to Poonch Akshar and Pai Akshar. I told you no, in Adha Akshar, Poonch Akshar and Pai Akshar. And this one will use to Bin Pai Akshar. Okay, did you get clarity, ma? Now we will go through the words. So you must and should follow the videos which are loading in the YouTube. Don't neglect those. Okay, children? It will be very useful to you. Okay. Next, see the words. See the words. Archana. Pronounce the word Archana. Here, how we are pronouncing Archana. First we are pronouncing Radhakshar. Next Cha. Okay, so that's why we wrote this word in this. Well, wait. I shall write the words separately and then we will divide in these two. Okay, ma? Archana, Darpan, Dharma, Ram, Kriya, Truck, Drum, Darshan, Pradesh, Adarsh, Prakriya, Program. Okay. Truck, drum, train, like that. Now we'll divide these words into Rev and Padel. According to the pronunciation, we should divide the words. Okay, ma? Here, what is this? First word is Dharma. What is the first word? Dharma. Dha, Radhakshar, Ma. In Dharma, we are pronouncing the Radhakshar first. So that we have to write, where we have to write this one? And which Adakshar we use here? Here we used Rev. Why? Because first we are pronouncing R. Then Ma. First Radhakshar, Ma. Then here we must write that word Dharma. Okay, children? Next one. What is this? Next one is Archana. Archana also. Here also, first we are pronouncing Archana, not Archana. Archana. Archana also, first we are pronouncing Radhakshar. So this is also belongs to Rev. Here we should write this one. Okay. Next, what is this? What is this? Darpan. Here also, how we pronounce this word? First we pronounced Radhakshar, next Pa. So that where we have to write, this one also we should write in Rev. Okay. So next, what is this? Coming to this, see which other akshar is this? Radhakshar only. But which one it is? Which one it is? It is Paden. And the pronunciation, how it will be? We'll pronounce the letter first. Next, Adha. That is Kram. Kram. See? Ka. Kra. Ka first. Ra next we are pronouncing. So, this one is Rev. Paden. So, we have to write that word here. Okay? And which type of letter is this? This is Poonch Akshar. I told you no. To the Poonch Akshar and the Pai Akshar we have to use this one, and to the Bin Pai Akshar we should use this one. Okay children, next word, we go through the next word. What is the next word? Kriya. What is the next word? Kriya. In Kriya also, first we pronounced what we pronounced first? Letter. Next, Adha Akshar. This is also which type of letter? Which type of letter this is? This is Poonch Akshar. So that also we have to write in Pade. Kriya. Okay ma. Next. What is the next word here? What is the next word? Truck. What is the next word? Truck. Tra. First we are pronouncing tra. Ta and dra. Not ra and ta. Ta and dra we are pronouncing. Truck. Okay children. So truck means, and which type of letter is this? Bin Pai Akshar. Okay. Truck. So that I told you now, when you get Bin Pai Akshar, we should use this one. Okay children. So like that, a few more letters I am giving you as a homework to these remaining letters. Words are there now, that you divide and write in this. Okay children, this is the homework to you. Don't forget. Do it. We'll go through in the next class. Thank you ma.